Hi guys, Screaming here. Just thought I'd do a little in-cabin video. Had a few requests. Got my dB meter, and let's give the car a start up. And about low 60s on the dB meter. Talking, I'm at 70. Normal conversation here in the cabin is about a little over 70 dB. All right, let's go for a little cruise. About 82 dB there on that acceleration. Throttle, 4,000 RPM. That's about the loudest as it gets right there. We are cruising along at 60 miles an hour. Got 77 on the dB meter while I'm cruising. When I start talking, my voice is actually at about 82 dBs. So I'm actually talking at a fairly normal tone. I'm not talking loud, normal conversation, and you know, 83, 84 there. 82 to 84. A constant 77 when I stop talking. Again, noises, I can hardly hear it back there. It's not a real drone. Doesn't give you a headache. There's a pretty hard acceleration. Up to about $6,000. Sounds pretty dang good to me. There's 60 miles an hour, just under $2,000. Again, a deep kind of rumble, you know, a little boomy, but again, it's not that harsh drone. Again, I drive with the window down. I don't even hear it back there. There is about the loudest this gets when you're cruising, when you've got a low RPM and a fairly heavy load coming up a hill here. Another little bit of a hill there. Cruising at 75 miles an hour, just about 2,000 RPM. Sound does not seem to bother me at all. Again, this is my normal speaking voice, normal conversation voice. Turn on the stereo. See what's on XM. A little bit of cream, Strange Brew. Love that classic vinyl station. Normal volume for me. So we got 80 dBs in the cabin with the stereo on, 82 when I talk. Okay, I'm at one of my favorite entrance ramps to the, and so we're gonna give it a little bit more gas this time. That's wide open. We're up to 80. Doing a little manual shifting now. Yeah, I love that little blip. Aggressive sound, about 4,000 RPM, light to medium throttle. And right up to 70 miles an hour. Okay, here we go again from a stop. Lifted a little bit, and the car shifted about 4,500 RPM. Here's cruising at 55 miles an hour, just under probably 1,500 RPM. To be honest, I hear more tire noise than I do exhaust noise. No drone. I really do hear the road more than I do the exhaust. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed the ride along, and thanks for coming along. And this is Screamin'. I'll see you later.